Catriona and Sam Milby, hiwalay na daw? We, legit ba? Pero teka, bago tayo muna magsimula. Magsimula muna tayo dito kung paano naging sila ni Sam Milby. Okay, so let's begin. Siyempre, si Catriona Gray. She is the second Miss Universe during the 21st century after Pia Wurtzbach, and in total, siya yung pang-apat na winner of the Miss Universe crown, representing the Miss Universe Philippines, and she inspired and raised all the standards for all Filipino people supporting the pageantry here in our country. So dito nga, alam niyo mga pare kasi, hindi mo mapipigilan pahanga. Lalo na pag, ganyan, Miss Universe, nanalo. Tapos, syempre, bakit mo pa sasayangin yung chance kung mamimit mo siya, example, syempre, hindi natin mapipigilan yung ganon. And after noon, 2018, 2020, yan, nag-birthday si Sam Milby, which this marked the start of a new relationship in his 36th birthday na very special sa kanya. Grabe, nag-birthday na tapos may relationship pa. Sino ba namang matutuwa doon? Siyempre, ayos yun, diba? Okay, after this, siyempre, alam naman natin 2020, mga pare, pandemic yan. Siyempre, may mga taong naghahanap ng kaligayahan. Hindi natin matatanggal yan. So, ayun nga, from New York to Italy, kasi sila, nag-travel sila from New York to Italy. Doon nila na-realize na through adventure and through art, syempre, based on the article that I read, may common love sila for art and travel, which pareho nilang gusto yun. Kaya, hindi na nakapagtaka-taka na magkiklik silang dalawa. Oo, totoo yan. And yan, 2020 was their year. It was the start of a relationship. Pero teka, we should go to the next 3 years later. February 2023 na. Okay. Engaged na sila no February 2023. And ito, according to Sam Milby, of all the roads life took me down, I'm grateful that they led me to you. So bakit? It was an answered prayer for him na syempre, magkaroon ng relationship. And makita na importante na magkaroon talaga ng relationship. Through things that they like, things that they love. Real question. Hiwalay na ba sila? Oops. Sila na bahala muna magsabi nun. While we should respect their privacy, and the only people who are authorized to speak about their relationship is the two themselves. Sila mismo. Tandaan natin yon. Yung speculation, tago muna natin yan sa isip natin. Abangan na lang natin yung susunod na mangyayari. And this is my review about the timeline of Catriona Gray and Sam Milby's relationship. So yun muna guys, abang na lang tayo sa part 2. Bye-bye!